In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your AC condenser on your Mini Cooper. It's located on the front of the car. Anytime you're going to be doing anything with the AC system in your vehicle, make sure you take the vehicle down to your local shop and have the system evacuated. And then when you're done, you're going to go back to your local shop and get it recharged and checked for leaks. Using an 8mm socket, I'm going to remove this bolt and the same one on the other side. Now I'm going to remove the middle one with a 10mm socket. Our bolts don't look like they are stock, so if you have a different size, use the right socket for that. Using a T30, we're going to remove 2 Torx bit bolts, one here, and one in the same spot on the other side. So if you feel underneath where your fender liner is, there is a little opening. You're going to use a 10mm socket and remove this bolt. This is upside down, your view, so the head is underneath. There's one on the other side as well. After you remove this bolt, you're going to pull the bumper cover away so you can access these 2 connectors, and you're going to disconnect them or unscrew the bulb. I'm just going to unscrew the bulb. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can put this back in the meantime while you go to the other side. The bumper is pushed into these clips here, so you're just going to push down and undo them. Ours are broken pretty much everywhere except for these 2, so I only had to undo 2. So push down and then pull it away, and then the whole bumper should come off. We're going to start by removing these 4 nuts using a 13mm socket. You might need an extension as well. Now we're also going to take out this bolt here and also on the other side. Do the same on the other side. Before removing this, you're going to push your sockets or bulbs through on both sides. Now we're ready to remove this. You're going to grab onto it, pull up, and remove. Next, we're going to remove a bolt here. I'm using a 10mm socket. Do the same on the other side. Now we're going to remove our condenser. I'm going to remove this bottom line first using a 10mm socket. Remove that bolt, and now we're going to disconnect the line. You may need to put something in there to pry it out. There is an O-ring. You will hear a hiss. And now we're going to do the top line. Remove the bolt and the line and remove it. Make sure your O-rings are in good shape. Add some PAG oil to the O-rings for easy installation, and also clean up your bolts. Now we're going to install our condenser. I'm going to slide it in. Make sure this is lined up with that bracket on the bottom. And now you can put your bolts in. Now we're going to put our lines in. I'm going to start with this bottom one. Make sure you have some PAG oil on that O-ring. Install your upper line. I'm going to put my bolts in and tighten them down. We're going to torque these to 72 inch-pounds. So let's snug those up and torque them to 72 inch-pounds. Let's put our support bracket on, just line it up and push it onto the studs. You might have to get some light out of the way. I have a socket back here that I stuck in. Check both sides for that. Push it on. And now we're going to get our nuts going. When installing the nuts, make sure that before you tighten them all down, you have them all started. And also, when you're tightening it, make sure that they line up the way they were. I'm going to use a socket to be able to get it on this one. And then you have one bolt that fits through this hole, and you're going to get that one started as well. The process is the same on the other side. Make sure you get both sides started before you tighten anything down. That way it's nice and even going on. We're going to tighten down all our nuts. And then tighten down your bolt. And the process is the same on the other side. We're also going to torque these to 33 foot-pounds. We'll go around and torque these nuts to 33 foot-pounds. The bolt is torqued to 16 foot-pounds. Do the same on the other side. We're going to put our cover on now. You're going to line it up. There's going to be a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. So you just see if those match up. But before you put it all the way on, you are going to reconnect your connectors for your lights. So find them all. I had them out of the way, so I need to put them back. I'm going to feed it up through. These two go through here, and then this one's for the side marker. I'm going to start with that one. Lock it in place, or if you took the connector off instead, just snap it in and make sure you hear that click. I'm going to put the big bulb in. There is little notches that it's supposed to line up with. Screw it into place. And your last connector here, or if you undid the bulb, insert the bulb and twist. Make sure you hear the click. Do the same on the other side. For this part, ours is broken, so just put it back the way you took it out. There should be a bolt holding it together. And I'm just going to start my bolt. I'm not going to tighten it up because I still have to pull the other side out so I can do all that stuff. I'm going to show you on this side since our other side was broken, but your bolt goes up through the hole in the fender well. Get it started and tighten it down. Now we're going to snug these up. And do the same on the other side. Now we're going to put our bolts in underneath. There's one in the middle and one on each side. Ours was a 10 millimeter on the middle and 8 millimeter on the outside. Yours, I don't know what you have because these are not stock. Just snug them up. And now we're going to go over here and put our bolts in. And do the same on the other side. Make sure you have your AC system recharged by a professional.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.